that in a circumstance like this, I would be able to concede to a worthy opponent. But I do not have a worthy opponent to which I can concede. This was the most deeply deceitful, dishonorable, despicable campaign I have ever seen run for the courts. It was truly beneath contempt.
You see,
Who is that?
You see, kids.
I thought that was a candidate.
Yeah, it is. So,
They're
kids,
supposed to be.
Here's the deal. If you want to have a future in politics or elected office, when you lose, I know what you've seen over the past 5, 6, 7 years, but when you lose, you are gracious. That actually, first of all, you should be gracious regardless of how ugly the race was, because it's not beanbag, as they say, it's hardball. And if you're going to step into a boxing ring, well, as I've told my family for years, expect your head to get knocked off of you. That's the profession that you choose, and elections can be awfully tough. But when it's over, and you graciously concede regardless. You find something to be gracious about, and then you move on. And as David Marinus wrote in the Bill Clinton book after he lost his race for governor, and the next morning he was out shaking hands, and people said the poor guy doesn't even realize he's lost. And somebody laughed in the campaign office and said, "Oh, no, you don't understand. He's already running for the next election." I've seen this time and time and time again. The people who are gracious, even after losing a really tough, personal, bitter race, those are the people you see in public service for the rest of their lives, because they understand it's not about the last election they just lost. It's about the one that's coming up in 2 or 4 years. But Willie, right there, I mean, I hope that Dan Kelly felt good about himself after that speech, because nobody else felt good about him. And again,
I don't think he felt good.
By the way, I understand how personal this stuff can be. You know, when I campaigned, a lot of really personal, false attacks. But you know what? You just smile and you keep on. You walk through it, because that happens in politics sometimes. But man, you don't end. I've had friends that have ended that way, and they never get elected again. Their career's over.
Yeah, he went on to say Wisconsin voted for what he called the rule of Janet, but that's their choice to make, he said. That's former Wisconsin State Supreme Court Justice Dan Kelly. That was his concession speech last night, and it was Janet Protasiewicz who defeated the conservative in the most expensive state Supreme Court race in American history, giving liberals control of Wisconsin's high court for the first time in 15 years.